Hi guys, today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $1,698 in binary options trading. Don't miss my new working trading strategies. Subscribe to this channel to keep up to date with all updates. The future of success is coming right now. Click like and let's take the first step towards achieving our goals together. Are you ready? Come on! I'm an expert in trading, and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks, so you can use my strategies that I show and use them. Most importantly, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. The most exciting part of my video is my new strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy consists of two key indicators, Keltner channel and CSI. With the help of these indicators, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is simple here, so if the line in the indicator intersects with a downward reversal, then this is our downward signal, as well as vice versa. Another indicator shows the general movement of the chart, which will also help us. So, going to the settings, I will leave everything to the basic settings. I leave the standard settings for the indicators. Now, turn on the candles. Set the interval to 1 minute. The transaction time is also 1 minute. So, and you can start. I start with the amount of $125. That's what we'll be going out with in $1,698. We open the AUD, CAD, OTC currency pair and open our first short trade in the amount of $125. Here we observe the intersection of the line in the indicator in the direction of decline. We see how our first deal confidently goes into the plus and the balance is $240. Are you ready to achieve financial independence? So join our trading group and receive signals for successful trades. Let's shape your financial future together. So the link to the group in the description. For the second deal, we put the amount of $240. Analyze the situation and make a deal for an increase. There is a general upward movement of the chart, the intersection of lines towards the right of the chart. This is our signal to increase. There is nothing better than being confident in your choice, and my choice is Pocket Option. This is a honest and transparent broker that gives only positive emotions. Join my Telegram channel to get a referral link and start earning money with this incredible platform. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second transaction ends in a plus and our balance is already $460. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by $460. And now we are looking for the next situation that suits us. And this time we open a downgrade deal in the amount of $460. In this case, the indicator shows us the decline of the chart and the general movement is going down. The deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $884. The last trade will be for a decrease in the amount of $884. In this case, the indicator shows us a general downward movement. So, the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row, and we observe our balance at $1,689. Our strategy is coming to an end, and with the help of it, we have reached $1,698 from $125. All our deals were confidently successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I showed you. So, good luck and good profits to everyone! Do you want to start earning money through trading? Join my Telegram channel and use my referral link for pocket option bonuses. Increase your earnings right now. If it sounds interesting, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to receive new signals. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, my future crypto millionaires. Bye bye.